Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you a simple but effective way to clear your RAM cache and improve the performance of your Windows laptop or PC. This method works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and older versions, so no matter what you're using, you can follow along. If your computer has been feeling slow or laggy, it might be because of cached memory taking up space. Clearing the RAM cache can help free up memory and improve your system's speed instantly. Let's get started. Before clearing the RAM cache, let's first check how much memory is being used by cached processes. Open Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. Alternatively, search for Task Manager in the Start menu and open it. Expand Task Manager if needed. If you see a basic Task Manager window, click More Details at the bottom to see the full version. Check RAM cache usage. Click on the Performance tab. Select Memory from the left panel. Look for the Cached section. This shows how much RAM is being used for background processes. If you see a high amount of cached memory, it's time to clear it. Windows doesn't have a built-in feature to clear RAM cache, so we'll use RAMMap, a free tool from Microsoft. Open your web browser and search for RAMMap Download. Click on the official Microsoft website link. Scroll down and click Download RAMMap. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Extract the RAMMap zip file. Right-click the downloaded zip file. Click Extract All, then select Extract. Run RAMMap as administrator. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on rammap.exe. Select Run as administrator. Click Accept when prompted. Now, RAMMap is open and ready to clear your memory cache. In the RAMMap window, find the Empty tab at the top. Click on it, then select Empty Standby List. Instantly, you will see the cached RAM decrease in Task Manager. This will free up memory and boost your system performance. If this guide helped you, please drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips and PC optimization guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.